Hi fans of ExiArts and fans of nature, crafts and art. It's me Hristo from ExiArts channel, and as you see I am showing you another drone video from Lilekovo Village from the Rhodope Mountains in Bulgaria. As you see, this was made in autumn. I have made quite some videos already with the drone, but I'm gonna post them in the next couple of weeks, as I have to make them voiceover or put them some sound. I also strive to make short videos from the longer drone video footages, and I cut some short videos to put as shorts on YouTube. As you see, the village was still kind of half green. The forests around the village were half green, and it was just the beginning, like something like the beginning towards the middle of autumn. This was early October, and also this flight with the drone was similar to the previous video on YouTube. It's about 5 minutes, 4 minutes something on our playlist drone video footage on the YouTube channel. But this video is longer than the other one, and I made different some different parts of the flight compared to the previous video. Anyway, I hope you like this video, and I hope you will enjoy all the coming drone videos. I am still learning to make smoother flights, and I am still not risking too much to fly very near the trees and very near the forests or the land. So far I'm making kind of more sure flights, kind of I'm more protective while flying the drone, but I'm getting better. And here you see I had amazing adventure that day, because this beautiful, amazing, stunning view is something spectacular to see live, to be there when you see it, not just from the video. And here already you can see the height is about 120 meters. I still don't have permission to fly my drone over 500 meters. I have to do certain things with the Bulgarian citizen kind of agency for flights, for citizen flights. Anyway, I have to make some little course for flying the drone. Then they will make me a certificate. After that, they will be able to allow me to fly my drone up to 500 meters. Also, before that, I also have to ask the DJI drone company to set up my drone to be the maximum height of flight 500 meters, not the current 120 meters. So far I can fly only to the 120 meters flight. But whenever you are on a hill and you start releasing your drone, and when you fly away from the hill, you see how much height I add to the drone flight, because the drone shows me, like, for example, I'm 100 meters above the land, but when you get away from the hill with the drone, the ravines down there give you much more height. So this is one trick that people can use when they fly their drones. Anyway, folks, it's a little bit longer video, so also I would like to use the moment now to thanks to everybody who supports the channel, also everybody who watched this video and all the other videos on the other social medias. Thank you to you two people also, and extremely special thanks to all the 969 subscribers on the YouTube channel so far. Folks, please help me share this video, like, comment, and those of you who didn't subscribe, please subscribe to our channel if you like our content, if you like mountains and mountain hiking adventures. And extremely grateful to all of the subscribers now on the channel. And I would ask to those of you who didn't subscribe yet but regularly watch our channel, please subscribe now to help us reach 1000 subscribers. We need 31 subscribers actually to become 1,000 subscribers before New Year's tomorrow. It's 30th of December 2025 now. Anyway, folks, also, if you like to donate us, if you want to support us, you can donate money to the link in the video description below. This is my PayPal.me link, paypal.me link, where you can donate the money directly to my PayPal account, and those money me and Stasi will use for trips, which we can make more trips. We will have more time for trips. If you donate us money, we will be able to use them for food, for fuel for the car, for the future trips. And of course, something very special and important for us, me and Stasi would like to purchase a camera stabilizer. It's a couple of $100, and that's why I'm starting to make this donate campaign more shared to you folks, and I will talk about it more often from now on, because we really would love to help ourselves with these trips and with the YouTube channel. Especially our dream is to have some more equipment for video and sound equipment, and for now our priority is the camera stabilizer, because many of you folks give your feedback and complain that I need to hold the camera a bit more stabilized while I make the videos. But you know, when you are walking and making video in the go, it's not always easy, or it's not always possible to hold the camera very stable. That's why we would love to purchase camera stabilizer in early 2026, or at least until spring 2026, so we will be able to use this camera stabilizer in the coming spring summer season. Well, I finished this drone flight here. Oh my god, these colors are so stunning, folks. I hope you really would enjoy this video. Once again, thank you for watching the video. Thank you for watching all our other videos, and